Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about what is the concept of row and column in Bootstrap. Okay, so this is a new concept in Bootstrap. Before this concept, what we do in CSS, we use generally grid system. Okay, so but in Bootstrap, what we do in CSS, we generally use grid. Here in Bootstrap, we use row and column. Okay, so for using this row and column, we have two classes in Bootstrap. Okay, so first we have row class and then we have column class. All right, so let's understand column class. In column, we have breakpoints. Okay, means we can distribute a row in 12 columns. Okay, so what is the column breakpoint? Is 1 to 12. So you are being confused. Okay, so let me clear what I'm trying to say. For example, if you are creating a row, for example, I'm writing here row 1. Okay, so here is my row, right? Here is my row. So the row and column concept in Bootstrap says like in one row, you can divide in equal how many columns? 12 column. A row can be distributed into 12 equal columns. Okay. So this is what C1 column 1. Okay. Let me write simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 10, 11. Okay. And let's say this is what 12. This is 12. So this is a concept of a row and column. Like if there is a row, you can divide a row into how many columns? In 12 columns. For example, you don't want to distribute a row in 12 columns. So what you can do? So for example, you have row 2. If you want to, if you want to distribute the row 2 into like 2 columns only. So like column 1 will take a space of how many rows? How many columns it will take? So it will take like okay, so how many columns this column 1 is taking and how many columns actually this column 2 is taking? So it is taking 6 column space. Okay, 6 column space, and this is also taking 6 column space. So total number is what? 12. So this is how this 2 column is taking a space of 12 columns. Means a row allow you to distribute columns into 12. So for example, if you are creating like if you are giving this row space like 8 columns, so this row column must be distributed in 4 space. Okay, because 8 and 4 equals what? 12. Okay, let's understand this concept through code so that you can understand better, right? So here is our boilerplate. Okay, including bootstrap CDN. Okay, so this one is like CSS CDN, this one is JavaScript CDN of Bootstrap, right? I hope it would be visible to you. Okay, let me set the screen. All right, so let's understand what we are trying to do. Okay, so for example, I'm creating here div row. Okay, so here is what our row class. Okay, so first let's check whether row is visible or not. Okay, so this look, let me copy path. Okay, this path I have to open in browser. Okay, let's press enter. So can you see row? Row is not there. Why it is not there? Because we didn't write anything. Suppose I'm giving a border property to it. Border. Okay, and border border what? Let me say primary. Border color is what? Primary, right? So let's check whether row is visible or not. Okay, row is coming, but row like only single line is coming, but it is not coming properly. So what I will do? I'll say here. I'll say here. Okay, so what I will give here? Let me give some padding. P4. Okay, let me give some 4 padding so that we can see our row. Okay, so here is our row, but this is very thin line. Let me say border 4. Okay, okay, not here. You have to write separately border 4. Okay, so it would be little thick. Okay, so here is our row. So in this row, how many columns I can create? In this row, simply please listen everyone. In this row, I can create 12 columns. Okay, because this row allow us to create how many columns? 12 columns. Okay, so let me create columns inside this. Okay, so let me use p tag. I'll use p tag p dot call. Okay, for creating the column, you will write what? Call class. Okay, this is what column. Then what I will, okay, let me write like this. So I will say call 1. Okay, column 1. So is it visible? The column is coming, but it is not coming like a column. So what I will do, I will give some border class here. Border. Okay, then border, let me say danger. Okay, so let's see, is it visible or not? Okay, so it is taking how many space? It is taking complete 12 space. So what I will say, column 1. I'll give only one space to this column. Okay, I'll give one space to this column. Now see, okay, so it is taking one space. So like this, how many columns I can create? I can create 12 columns. Okay, let me say text center. Text center. Okay, so our text will come in center. So these are the basic properties. Okay, so let me create another column. Okay, so second column. Okay, so this column will also take one space. Okay, so how many total columns we have? Column 1 and column 2. So we have two columns, column 1 and column 2. So a row takes how many? So I'm commenting here. I'm writing here. Row means 12. A row is nothing but 12 columns. Let me say 1 to 12. Okay, and here let me say, okay, this is, you can understand it, like one row takes how many columns? Can take how many columns? 12 columns. So as of now we have two columns. Okay, let me refresh. So column 1 and column 2. Okay, let me create other columns as well. Let me copy this. So now we have 4 columns, 6, okay, 8, 10 and 12. Let me change the number here. This is 3 and then 4 and 5, then 6, then 7 and then 8. Okay, this one is 9 and this one is 10, right? And this one is 11 and this one is 12. All right, so a row can, okay, in a row columns can distribute in 12 section. Okay, when I refresh, so you can see how many columns are coming in one row. You can see how many columns? 12 columns are coming. So suppose I want to increase one more column now. For example, this one I want like another column which is 13. Okay, 13th column I want. So will it come or not? Let me refresh it. Okay, so it is not coming. It is coming in another row. So what I'm trying to say, a row can divide a row can divide columns in equal 12 spaces. Okay, so let's try it in more depth. Okay, so for example, let me create another row. Okay, div dot row. Okay, let me give some border like success I'm giving, and empty I'm giving. Okay, I'm giving empty. Margin top is like 4, right? And let me give border thickness. So I will say border. This one is also 4, right? And let me give some padding like P4. Okay, so let's check our another row is coming or not. Okay, see, another row is coming. Okay, this is row 2. Okay, let me write here. Let me write here row. Okay, h1 dot, okay, row 1, and this one is h1 row. Okay, this is row 2. Okay, so this one is row 1 and this one is row 2. I'm talking about this area. Okay, so what I will do, I'll create columns here in this section also. So let me copy this code. It's column 1. Okay, now I'll create only 2 columns. So if you want to create 2 columns, you must understand like your 2 columns must be take equal space. Like if you're creating 2, so it will take 6 and this will also take 6. So 6 and 6, how much? 12. So means these 2 columns are taking 12 space, 12 columns space. Okay, so let's see how it is looking like. See, so it is coming in one row because both are taking how much? This one is taking 6 column space and this one is taking 6 column space. So total how much? 12. Okay, suppose if you want to create 3 columns. Okay, suppose if you want to create 3 columns, 3 columns only in one row. So what you can do, you can give this like 6 and 6. So it will not come, another column will not come. So I will say 4, 4. Okay, let me copy it, let me paste it, and this one is also 4. Okay, so this is column 1, column 2 and column 3. Okay, so it is coming like this. So 3 columns are coming inside one row because this is taking 4 column space, 4 column space, 4 column space. But another column will not come. If you want to create another column inside this row, so this will not come. Why? Because why 4 column will not come? Because this is taking 4, 4 and 4. How much? 12. And this 4, how much? 16. So 16 is not possible in one row. So how much only can come? Like 12 12 column space only can distribute in one row. Let me take now, let me create like 4 columns. So how I can create 4 columns? So in order to create 4 columns, so what I will do, I will equally divide the space. So I will say this one is 2, 4, okay, 2, 4, 8. Now I can take another column. Okay, right. So 2 and 4, 6, 6 and 4, 10, 10 or 2 means total is 12. So this is possible in one row. This is possible in one row. Okay, because it is taking equally 12 space. Okay, column 1, column 2, column 3, and this is column 4. Okay, this is what column 4. Like this you can distribute. Okay, so these 4 columns are coming. Okay, but if you will see in total, it is taking how much columns space? 12 columns. This is also taking 12 columns, this is also taking 12 columns, and this is also taking 12 columns. I hope you are understanding. Okay, so this is basically what row and column system. For example, if you want more columns, then what you will do, you must understand, like I have 12 column space. So if you want to give more space to one column, for example, I am giving here 8 column space, so second column must be 4. Second column must take in how much space? 4 column space. So 8 and 4 is what? 12. So 12 space is completed. So these are useless, these 2 columns are useless. Okay, so what is the row number? This is the row 5th, right? Okay, let me refresh and see row 5th. Okay, so it is taking how much? 8 column space, and this is taking only 4 column space. Okay, for example, now I'll create 2. Okay, let me create this. It is taking like how many columns space? 10. So it will take, will it take 4 column space? No, because 10 and 4, 14, which is not possible in one row. 14 column space is not possible in one row. That's why it is coming in another row. Okay, so what we have to manage this. So instead of 4, I can say 2. So now it is equally divided. Okay, so this one is taking, this column 1 is taking how much? Like 10 column space, and this is taking 2 column space. So this is all about row and column system. All right, so that is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so what is the breakpoint of column? You can give either one column 1 up to column 12. Okay, you can distribute a row in how much column? How many columns? Like 12 columns. A row can divide it into 12 columns. Okay, I hope you understood this concept. Okay, all right, so thank you everyone for watching this video. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. All right, thanks for watching this video.